Hey, and welcome to a passive income hunt. Today's video is the 5th monthly update of this channel. Today we will go through the status of May 2022. How did we perform? What have we done this month to improve the future of the channel? How much have we earned? And how much have we spent on the channel this month? And what we will do next month to improve the channel. We hope you will enjoy it. Status of May 2022. How did we perform? How many new views have we gotten on YouTube? We have gotten 1.2k impressions in May, which is a lot more than last month, and it ended well on a slope upwards, looking like it is going to be even better next month. Other than that, we have gotten 62 views on YouTube in our 5th month, which is also more than double as much as last month. Our impressions click-through rate decreased from 5.1 to 3.3, which is a bit lower compared to last month. I still think we can do better than this click-through rate in the future. We would still want it higher than this, but it will definitely also still be the impressions which we will have to increase next, as it also will follow into more views. How many new subscribers have we gotten? We have gotten 1 new subscriber in this month, which means that we have a total of 5 subscribers. This isn't a lot, but as long as it keeps growing, we will hope it will move faster in the future. Compared to last month, we had 16 unique viewers. This month we had 46, so it's a lot more than last month. How much have we earned on YouTube? The monetization image was taken a bit late, and is why it shows 7 subscribers. So it is a small sneak peek into some of next month as well. To be able to earn money on YouTube, you will have to get into YouTube's partner program, which requires that you have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours within the last 12 months. As you can see here, we still need 993 subscribers more and 3,993 watch hours more, as we have only gotten 7. Here in May, our watch time actually fell compared to last month, which means that a lot of our viewers haven't watched that much of our videos, which could also be seen earlier, as our average view duration fell from 3 minutes and 24 seconds to 1 minute and 38 seconds, a bit more than half. Hopefully it will start increasing again next month and grow faster. In the future it would be nice if it was more like an exponential curve and not a linear or flat curve. How many new views on our blog? In May we got 10 page views on our blog. This is almost the same as last month, but in this month we didn't publish a single post, so surprisingly we keep our page views without posting anything new. How much have we earned on our blog? For now we haven't signed up for ads on our blog, so we haven't earned anything. We also think that you should have a minimum of 500 page views per month before the ad providers really take you into consideration when signing up. For the future monthly updates, we will start to not show the blog until we start publishing posts again. Right now we will focus on the YouTube channel and get that built a bit up first, so we can have our full focus on building that. We will definitely publish a blog post for each video we have made in the future, so at some point we will release a lot of posts. How much have we earned on anything else? We have started 2 other channels for short video testing. One where we create our own shorts and publish them, and one where we edit others' free videos and publish them. The first channel got 2 subscribers and the second channel got 22 subscribers in the first month, which shows that it is possible for us to build our subscriber count if we start publishing short videos as well. Because of this, we will start at the end of the month to post a short video each day to build additional traffic to our big videos. What have we done this month to improve the future of the channel? How many new videos have we made? In May we published 5 new videos and have uploaded a total of 26 videos to the channel. How many new blog posts have we published? We have stopped publishing blog posts to focus on one thing at a time and make that better. And when we have started to master that, then we can go back and start publishing more blog posts. Because of this, we won't talk about blog posts for the next couple of monthly updates until we start on it again. Then we will let you know. What else have we done to improve the channel? We have looked more into titling and thumbnails and started to use our social media accounts on the other platforms to hopefully generate more traffic in the future to a YouTube channel. We also started 2 new channels to test how the short video format works and see if it can be applied to this channel. The first channel is one where we make shorts ourselves, and the other one is where we take free videos and edit them a bit before publishing them. It went quite well, and we have learned a lot around how the different platforms work, which we can hopefully use to our advantage on this channel. Time will tell. Other than that, we are still early on our journey and just trying to learn, where we will keep trying to focus on streamlining videos to be able to know how to produce them without wasting too much time, as this will help our daily life a lot and help us to potentially start even more passive income streams that we can share on this channel. It is also important for us to keep figuring out what each of us like working with regarding the channel, as we both need to use it for our advantage, but also because we think it is important that it is fun to do. If it just feels like a duty, then you have just locked yourself into a second job. We don't want that. We want it to be fun and fill us with energy. How much have we earned and how much have we spent on the channel this month? For this month it is the same as last month, but in case you haven't seen last month, then we will go through it here again. If we start by looking at all our revenue sources, it is potentially the YouTube channel and the blog so far. Both of them have given $0 in revenue this month, which gives a total revenue for this month of $0. For our expenses this month, there is a bit more to it. First expense is VideoScribe, which is the tool you see our videos getting drawn in. For VideoScribe, we have purchased an annual plan which averages out to $17.96 per month. This price includes 25% VAT, which we have to pay as we live in Denmark. Second expense is blog hosting, which is the domain name and website hosting of where we publish our blog posts. For this expense, we have probably added a bit too many optional add-ons, which have made it a bit more expensive each month. We have purchased an annual plan which averages out to $12.40 per month. This price also includes 25% VAT. Third expense is email, which is where we have paid for an email address with our domain name. We thought it would be nice to have an email with our domain name, as we thought it looked better. Looking back, it would probably be better to start out with a simple Gmail. We have purchased an annual plan which averages out to $3.75 per month. This price also includes 25% VAT. After having taken all the revenues and expenses into account, it leaves us with a profit of minus $34.11, which shows that we currently are burning a bit of money to hopefully improve the channel. What will we do next month to improve the channel? Every month we will keep making videos that are better than the previous ones. We want to keep improving our content. We currently don't have any milestones we want to achieve yet. As long as we keep getting better, we are happy and we believe that the results will follow. After having seen how the short video format performs on the other channels and on the different platforms, we will in the end of this month start to use it on this channel instead. We will try to post a new short video every day, where the objective for the videos is to generate more traffic for one of our bigger videos. We will post the same video on multiple platforms and try to redirect the traffic from other platforms toward our YouTube channel. It probably will take a bit of time before it takes off, but hopefully it will help our channel grow here in the beginning, as it looks like it is much easier to get early exposure on short videos, as the platforms currently are missing them more. We will keep focusing a bit on our social media profiles and how we can use them to direct more traffic over to this YouTube channel. Other than that, we will try other ways to figure out how we can increase the amount of impressions we get on the channel to potentially generate more views and subscribers over time. If you are still here, we would like to thank you very much for listening through our entire video. We hope you enjoyed it. Are you thinking about starting your own passive income hunt? Please share it below and we will encourage you to pursue it. If you like this video, please hit the like button below to show us that you would like more content like this. If you haven't already subscribed, please do so. We will post new videos every week. Thank you for today and see you next week.